Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Christian. I just wanted to make a quick follow-up video to the video that I made a few months ago that detailed how I generate cheap and reliable CarFax reports. I have a lot of people asking me if that same method still works in 2021, and it does. So I'm just going to make this quick follow-up showing how I generate those reports. I'm going to make it a lot quicker than the last one was because a lot of people said that it took a little bit of time for me to get to the point. So I'm going to go down to here. I'm looking at this 2008 Infiniti G37, and I just want to generate a report for it. So if you're doing this, you just want to look for the VIN number. That's all you need. So here we have the 17-digit VIN. We'll go copy it, and the website that I use is cheapercarfax.com. There's a ton of sites like this. I'm not going to get into it, but if you just Google like cheap CarFax report, you'll probably find something. This one I know works. It's been working for the past 4 months and beyond then. So let's go and type in cheapercarfax.com, and we're going to go here. We only want one vehicle history report, so we'll click shop now. We'll add it to the cart. You can just go to checkout, and here's where you're going to fill out all your details, your first name, your last name, everything, your street address. It really doesn't have to be accurate because they're not going to ship you anything. The only thing that you want to make sure is accurate is your email and potentially your phone number if, say, for some reason they can't reach you through email. So we'll paste that in. So there's the 17-digit VIN. Just make sure it's right the first time around so there's no issues. I've messed up a few times, and usually it takes them a couple of minutes to get it sorted, but it's better to just get it correct the first time. It makes it way easier. So let's see, after you fill that information out, I know there is a promo code that I always use. It's cheaper10. Yep, there you go. So that takes 10% off. Again, you don't have to use this site. You can use any other site like this. This video is mainly to just inform people that there are other options out there rather than paying $40 for the CarFax report straight from CarFax. So I'm going to fill out all this information, and then I'll come back when I have the report. Okay, I'm back, and it's taken around 20 minutes for me to receive the report. As you can see right here, your 2008 Infiniti G37 vehicle report is ready. Cool, so we'll click that, and if you go about halfway down in the email, you'll see this link here, and this is going to be where your vehicle history report is. So we'll click on that, and as you can see, it's actually just a CarFax report. So we'll check the VIN. Starts with JNK, ends with 314. We'll go back here. So JNK 314, perfect. It's the same exact one, and we'll see if it just matches up with this one that I was looking at. So as you can see, it had around 96,000 miles on it. We'll go here, and last report 93. So the way CarFax works, it's if you take your car to get its oil changed or get some type of repair done, the repair shop will often record the last reading on the odometer. So if it's a little bit less than what it says here, that's fine as long as it's pretty close. So we'll go here, no accidents reported, great. Sometimes it's important to look for open recalls. Don't really see anything that shows that. You can see how many owners it's had. It's had one owner. It was registered in 2008. Then it was sold in 2012. A third owner bought it in 2015. A fourth one bought it in 2020. That's probably the dealership that has it now because it's the last recorded one. And there's really a ton of information here that you can get out of this, and it's definitely worth it for around 10 bucks to just buy this and know that you're buying a reliable car. You're not buying some junk that has a rebuilt title or flood damage or hail damage or any of the above. It's definitely worth it to do that. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I can definitely make another video on something else or kind of explore any of the other CarFax generating websites. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Thanks.